Yvan with C6 Ceramics, here to introduce you to C6 Hydro Glass. This is the ceramic coating for your windshield, side windows, and all your windows. In the box, we have C6 Hydro Glass and the applicator, but we'll get to those in a moment. Before applying the coating, we need to deep clean the window. The best way to do that is with polishing. We're going to be using the DIY Gold Standard Polish. Once the polishing is complete, we wipe off the polish residue using a rinseless dampened towel, followed by a dry towel. Want to make sure to get rid of any moisture that could be around the molding of the windshield, just so it doesn't interfere with the coating. Next step, panel prep. I'm going to liberally apply panel prep to one side of the towel. Then apply it to the windshield. And before it evaporates, dry it away with the other side. At this point, your window should be rather grabby, meaning it's ready to accept the hydro glass. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for, the hydro glass. Take it out of the box, as well as our applicator. Be sure to wear gloves at all times during this. I'm going to apply 5 or 6 drops to my applicator. This is a rather small windshield. Then, circular motions, apply it to the window. I'll add one more drop, go to the other side. And now we resist the temptation to touch it for 10 to 15 minutes. We want to wait till it hazes over with a white haze. Then it'll be easy to wipe off. While we're waiting for the haze, we can take our applicator, put it in a bucket of rinseless wash, rinse it out, and it'll be good to use for the next time. Because this bottle is good for 10 to 12 windshields, so you want to keep this applicator. One of the concerns that some people have with coating a windshield is their windshield wipers. That they'll judder or that they'll jump on the windshield. That's actually a function of the wipers themselves. And the reason for that is if your blade is not sitting perpendicular or 90 degrees to the window, it will judder in one direction. And the easy way to fix that is to take a microfiber towel and an adjustable wrench, Put the microfiber towel around the arm, and then you can twist it in one direction or the other. Normally the juddering happens on the downward stroke because at some point the wiper was stuck, be it with ice or something else to the windshield. The motor forced and torqued this and just bent this slightly that way, meaning that when it goes up, it's fine, but when it goes down, it judders. If that's your case, all you have to do is twist this just a little bit. To check to see if the coating is ready to come off on an inconspicuous area, just give it a little wipe. And if it looks sort of greasy, then it's not time to come off yet. This one's almost ready, but we see a little bit of a stripe there, so we'll wait. Once the coating is ready to wipe off, it's as simple as taking a microfiber towel and wiping off the haze. You'll want to wait at least 1 hour before getting it wet. And durability, well, that's up to you. When you're driving and it starts raining, very simple. Turn the windshield wipers on with the wiper fluid, clean the road oils off of the windshield, and then the hydro glass will shine through. You won't need to use those wipers going down the road. Now we're ready to affront the rain, the snow. Glass coatings make it easier to see when it's raining, easier to clean off when it's snowing, and overall safer to drive. If you have any questions, comments, thoughts, ideas, leave them below, and we'll see you in the next one. Water starts moving off the windshield at 30 miles an hour or 50 kilometers an hour. And when we get up to highway speeds, it'll be much better.